everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Wells Fargo card number. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in confirmcard.wellsfargo.com and press enter. To activate your credit card, go ahead and type in your card number in the text box. Enter the CVV number, which is 3 digits long, and it is available at the back of your card you are trying to activate. Enter your date of birth on the next field and type in your social security number or your ITIN's last 4 digits, and finally click on the confirm button in order to activate your Wells Fargo card. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.